Greetings and welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's talk about this Ortofon 2M Blue. The problem of this cartridge, it has no right channel. And these are the pins of this Ortofon Blue. The standard color coding of the cartridge, left channel, white and blue, right channel, red and green. But the Ortofon, it doesn't have here the green. Instead, the silver color here, this part here. This is connected to the chassis. This part here, this is the cartridge, this is the ground. In a standard, this is green color, this pin, because this is the partner of this red. The red and the white, the positive side of the pins. The negative side are blue and the silver color. On the other hand, in other cartridge, this is green color. Red and green, white and blue. Now let's check the continuity of each channel. Let's check first the left channel. Set your multi-tester to times 10 or times 1. It has here a high resistance. Don't mind the numbers there, just the deflection of the needle. So it deflects, and this is good indication. Left channel is good. Right channel, no deflection. It means this is open or there's something wrong with the coil. Let's check again. No deflection. It means right channel has a problem. Now I'm going to open this one. Let's find out what's the problem inside this cartridge. Now as you can see guys, I think this is the dead end of this cartridge. I cannot open the part here, but I will try to hit this part here. Since this is a dead end on this part here, I decided to try to solder the pins of the right channel. As you can see here, I put a tiny soldering lead on this part here, and let's check if there's continuity on the right channel. Set your multi-tester to times 10 ohms. Then before we check the left and right channel, let's check first the silver color and the blue. Let's check if there's connection. Needle won't deflect, it means not connected. Let's check the red and white. Not connected. Let's check the white and the silver color. No connection. Red and blue. No connection. Now let's check first the left channel. Since the left channel is good, let's check the resistance. My reading here is 1.1 key ohms. This is for the left channel. Since this is good, let's check now the right channel if there is a resistance. As you can see here, it is 1.1 key ohms. The right channel now is good. If you saw the first part of the video, right channel, no deflection, it is open. But now, it has this 1.1 key ohms. So that's how to repair. Since the part here is a dead end, then let's try the other way. Resolder the part here. I put a soldering lead, just a tiny soldering lead on this part here. Reheat the pins. But be careful with that since this is a plastic. That's all how to repair this Ortofon 2M Blue. And you save 10,000 pesos Philippine money. Hope this video helps and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.